Yo, what's going on, traders? It's your one and only forex skill coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited to have you all here today on this one. All right, so in this video today, I will teach you how you can withdraw your money from Skrill to your local bank account. This is especially for those my fellow forex traders who make their withdrawals through Skrill, and right now they're kind of stuck because of the issue Nigeria is having with Binance in the sense that for you to be able to convert your USDT, for you to be able to sell your cryptocurrency through Binance and withdraw to your local bank account. So if that's the video you really want to watch today, so why not sit back, relax, and let me put you through. While you're relaxing and watching, you want to do me a little favor, hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on also. And in case if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for being part of the journey. But also make sure that if you have subscribed, turn on the notification bell because it helps you get notified instantly whenever I release a new content. So let's get started. So right now for this tutorial, I have $84 here on my Skrill account. You can see this is Skrill. So now I want to withdraw this money to my local bank account. What do I do? So first of all, I will have to send this money to my Binance. Yeah, I know you would say Binance again, but don't worry, I will show you all the processes. Okay, so I'm gonna do it myself, and you will see the alert in my Nigerian account, and then you will know it's working. All right, I'll have to withdraw this money to my Binance account first. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to your Binance. You're gonna click on P2P. Then under P2P, you're gonna have to turn the USDC to BTC. All right, because what we want to do, we're going to deal with BTC. Okay, so you want to click here, click on BTC. The next thing you want to click on is payment. Click on it. Now the next thing you're going to click on is amount. So what I want to buy currently is a BTC worth $82. So I'm going to click on confirm. All right, so we have one person who is here who is willing to buy from $50 upward. So I'm going to click on it, enter the amount I want to buy, and that's how much the equivalent is going to be. So I'm going to click on buy BTC, make payment, click on Skrill. Then here is his email, so click on copy. Successfully copied. So I'll go straight to my Skrill, click on transfer, Skrill to Skrill, paste the email, continue, type in how much I want to send, which is $82 plus the fee, click on continue, continue, money sent. Now I need to confirm it, transferred, notify seller, success. All right, so now I'll be waiting for him to release the BTC to my account. And once that is released, the next thing we want to do is the step 2. In case if you have watched this video to this extent, thanks for watching. Could you do me a little favor? Smash the like button if you find this video helpful. And also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also turn the notification bell. Oh, he has already approved it. BTC has been deposited. So let's continue. I'll click on done. So right now, if I go to my wallet, I should be able to see my BTC here. We have BTC worth $71. So the next thing we want to do now is how do we get this money funded to our local Nigerian bank accounts? What's the next step? So here we need another app which is called Luno. If you don't have an account with Luno, no problem. You can just go to the description of this video right now. And the very first link there is going to take you straight to create a Luno account. All you need to do is to register, verify it with your KYC and your proof of identity, and you're set to go. So right here on Luno, the first step to take is you click on wallet. Make sure you're under wallet. Click on BTC. Click on receive. Then here is your BTC address. Click on it, and over here you copy. Coming back straight to Binance, so we're going to click on withdraw BTC, send via crypto network, long press to paste address, paste, that's my Luno address, what network, Bitcoin. So I'm going to click on maximum because I want to withdraw everything I have, and then click on withdraw. Confirm order. Yeah, now it's going to take a few minutes to get confirmed, and once it's confirmed, we take on the next step on how to withdraw this money into our local bank account. Hit that little subscribe button there, turn on the notification bell. Look, that bell is very important. Most of you have actually subscribed and I'm grateful for that, but you did not turn the notification bell. So why not use that opportunity right now to turn the bell on? Alright, so the money has arrived into my BTC, as you can see here. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to withdraw this money straight into my local bank account, and in order for me to do that, I will have to click on sell and click on NG and wallet. So I'm going to click on max. So it's going to be a total of 87,122.59 and click on next. So click on confirm, verify. So I just sold my BTC for this amount. Go to wallet. So my Naira account now has this amount of BTC. So the next thing I want to do is to click on withdraw. Create voucher. How much do you want to withdraw? I want to withdraw everything. Next. So I'll be spending 84,579 and I will have to receive 82,888. Confirm. Redeem now. I want to receive it in my bank account. So this is the voucher number, so I'll click on redeem voucher. You redeemed your voucher. So as you can see, the money has just been sent, 82,888 into my local bank account. So if this video was helpful to you, why not give me a like on this video, and also leave a comment if you have any question, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.